Hey guys, you're now watching Sprightly Kid. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make a wet specimen. I showed my wet specimen collection in my blog before, and this time I want to do a tutorial process on how it's done. As you can see, I'm holding some gloves. I'm wearing some gloves here. You want to know why? It's because when you touch a dead animal, you need gloves because you don't want to get any of the animal's viruses, or you don't want to get sick or get a disease or catch a cold or anything. Yeah, so this prevents you from getting sick. And another thing, another material is the container for your specimen, and and another thing you need is isopropyl alcohol. So this is the liquid that helps preserve the specimen. And the last thing you need is the actual dead specimen. So here I have Gourmet Rodent from Petco. Yeah, I have Gourmet Rodent from Petco, and I'm gonna put them in this tiny little jar. Okay, so before we start, I also want to explain that there's, for wet specimens, you also need a needle and syringe. You basically fill a liquid and inject the specimen. This will prevent the specimen from floating, but since I couldn't find the needle and syringe, I'll just preserve it without a needle and syringe. And also, as you can see, the specimen is pretty small, so it's small enough to pass for a needle and syringe. But if my specimen is like big, then I will need a needle and syringe. Okay, so we're in the front view now. So before I put my specimen in, I'm going to fill the jar only a little bit here. Okay, so that's enough for now. So now I'm gonna, so this is what it looks like, my little bit of alcohol in here. So now let's get straight to opening. I'm really excited about this. These are like these frozen feeder mice. I bought them from Petco. They're very cheap. So this one is a fuzzy mouse. Oh! Look at my fuzzy mouse. It's so cute. Aw, do you see it? It's so cute and funny. It's so cutie. So this is what my fuzzy mouse looks like. It looks so cute and tiny. And now that I open my fuzzy mouse, I'm gonna open the last one, which is the Pinkie mouse. So Pinkie mouse are like the baby mice things. Okay, I'm gonna get it out. It's so cute! Look at my Pinkie mouse. It's so amazing. So these are both of them together. Oh, they're so cute and tiny. Also, here what they look like. Oh, they're so cute. They look really nice, and I'm also very excited about it. Oh, they're so cute. So now that I've showed you my mouse, I'm gonna put my fuzzy mouse in here. And I'm gonna put his little sister inside. They look so cute together. So now I'm gonna fill it. So I have a popsicle stick right here. I'm gonna use the popsicle stick to position my mouse on how I want it to be. So this is just an example of me positioning my fuzzy mouse. Like I said, my mice are so cute and they're so fluffy. I mean, not really fluffy, but they're just so cute and tiny how they are with their little faces and everything. Yeah, so my position is basically the young sister hugging her brother. So, and then now I'm gonna fill it with isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm gonna pour it. So you just pour it until it's enough for you. So that's enough for me. So that's my tutorial, guys, on how to make a wet specimen. So this is my mouse. This is the brother. The sister hugging the brother. So the sister is the Pinkie mouse and the brother is the fuzzy mouse. That's the name of the position that I did for the mouse. And here it is. They look so cute together, I swear. So I hope
which he demonstrated at various competitions and
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sparkly Kid. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!